In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp chat to Webflow 2026 Easy Guide. We're keeping this simple and reliable. By the end, you'll have a clickable element on your site that opens a WhatsApp chat with your business. Perfect for quick support or sales inquiries. Start by heading into Webflow and opening the project and page where you want the WhatsApp chat entry point to live. Make sure you're in the designer so you can place and style elements on the canvas. If you already know which section you want to use, scroll there now to save time. Next, open the Add panel. This is the panel where you bring new elements into your layout. You can open it from the left toolbar. Inside the panel, use the search field to quickly find what you need. Type link block. The link block is ideal here because it lets you turn any area, text, an icon, or a button you design into a clickable link. Drag the link block onto your page and drop it exactly where you want users to find it. You can place it inside a section, a nav bar, or position it as a floating widget by switching it to fixed or sticky in the style panel. Add a small chat icon or text like chat on WhatsApp inside the link block so visitors know what it does. While you're here, style it to match your brand. Size, colors, corner radius, and hover states. Clear contrast and a consistent hover effect make it feel polished and trustworthy. With the link block selected, open its link settings and choose URL. This is where you connect it to WhatsApp. Use the WhatsApp short link format. HTTP your number. Replace your number with your business number in full international format without symbols or spaces. If you want to pre-fill a message so customers don't start from a blank chat, append a text parameter like this. HTTP your number, text, your REN20 message PRON20 here. Remember to URL encode spaces and punctuation. A simple, friendly message works well and reduces friction for first-time visitors. You can also toggle the option to open in a new tab so users don't fully leave your site. For accessibility, add an ARIA label such as Open WhatsApp Chat so screen readers describe the action clearly. Use Preview to test the link. On desktop, it should open WhatsApp Web or prompt to continue. On mobile, it should open the WhatsApp app. If the link doesn't work, double-check the number format and any special characters in your message. And that's it. Go to Webflow, open the Add panel, insert a link block, and customize the URL. You now have a clean, fast way for visitors to start a WhatsApp chat with you right from your site.